How did you like it?
I loved it. I still remember how amazing it was.
I'm sure I'll like it, too.
You should try riding a mule on a trail to the bottom.
No way, I don't want to fall to my death.
Don't worry, only one person has ever fallen off a mule.
That hotel was terrible.
The worst in the whole world.
The walls were so thin.
All day long we heard TVS or telephones.
All night long we heard people snoring.
Housekeeping didn't give us fresh towels.
Room service brought us a cold dinner.
Our non-smoking room stunk of cigarette smoke.
Our rooms was right next to the elevator and the ice machine.
They added phony charges to our bill.
How did we end up in that terrible hotel?
The travel agent gave us a 50% discount.
I have to hang up. I'm so sleepy.
It's not even 10 o'clock.
I'm falling asleep on the phone.
You got up really early.
I had to take my friend to the airport.
Why didn't you take a nap when you got home?
I didn't get home until 0.30 minutes ago.
Why is that?
There was a bomb threat at the airport.
Only a threat.
Yes, but I was stuck there all day while they looked for the bomb.
Someday the bomb is going to be for real.
My dad went to Washington, D.C. He was invited, along with about 90 other veterans.
Who invited them?
Some private organization.
Why did they invite him?
To thank him and all the other soldiers who served in World War II.
That's very nice.
My dad got to see the beautiful new World War II monument.
That trip must have cost a lot of money.
He said all the money came from private donations. That was a great trip to Washington, D.C.
Tell me about it.
About 90 of us World War II veterans got on the plane at 8 a.m.
How long was the flight?
It only took about 2 hours.
Did you take pictures at the World War II monument?
Oh, yes, we all took lots of pictures.
Then you flew back home that evening.
Yes, when we landed, TV reporters and the Army band were there.
That must have made you feel really special.
Oh, it did. There were about 300 people there to honor us.
Well, you all deserve it. You helped save our county.
Thanks for watching.